So here's how to create a Pictory AI account. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and then search Pictory AI. Its website will appear. Scroll down and you will see this Get Started for Free option. Click on it. Next step you have to do is to sign in. There are two methods to sign in. If you want to continue with Google, then click on it. Otherwise, the second method is to add your information. Take your mouse down on the first name and click on it, and write your first name. Once you have entered your first name, click on last name. Now you have to enter your last name. After this, click on email and enter your email here. The next step you have to do is to click on password. Enter your password here. It will not accept the password if it is not strong enough or if it is less than 8 characters. Make sure to add symbols to make it strong. After this, click on continue. If you want to save this information to your Google account, click on save, otherwise never. Now this is your account. Here you have 4 ways to create and edit your video. So, in this way you can create a Pictory AI account.